Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this new video, we are going to do the complete review of this new OnePlus 55-inch TV which comes under U series. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the build quality of this new OnePlus TV. Now let's talk about the bezels. As you can see that we get a very thin bezels. This thin bezels gives a premium look to the TV, which also gives us a good screen to body ratio or screen to body ratio. The screen to body ratio for this TV is about 95%. This TV comes with a metal frame, which gives it a premium look. You get a OnePlus logo in the middle of the TV. And let's talk about the thinness of this TV. This TV is a very thin. This gives a premium look to this TV. The thinness is around 6.9 mm. This TV is firmly mounted on the wall. Also, if this TV is mounted on the wall, the ports are easily accessible. There is no problem in accessing the ports. You can easily access the ports with this TV. Let's talk about the display in this new OnePlus 55-inch TV. You get a good clear 4K UHD display which comes with HDR10 plus support, and this also comes with DCP color gamut. The size of the display is 55 inches obviously. Due to the 4K, you can see that the picture quality is very clear, and due to the DCP color gamut, the colors are very punchier and the colors are very good. It looks it's very saturated and color quality is very good. This comes with HDR10 plus support, meaning that you can play 4K HDR content on Netflix and also Amazon Prime and other OTT. Let's talk about the ports and connectivity on this OnePlus TV. You get an Ethernet input, Ethernet port, RF connection input, 3 HDMI input which supports 2.1 with one ERC support, meaning you can connect your sound bar to this, and there is also one AV input. There is a digital audio output, two USB 2.0 ports. Let's talk about the connectivity of this OnePlus TV. This supports dual band Wi-Fi. This comes with Bluetooth 5.0, and this comes with a built-in feature of OnePlus Smart Connect, which I am going to talk in the further part of this video. Now let's talk about the OnePlus Control App. The OnePlus Control App makes it so convenient to control the TV. You can control your TV from the Smart Connect app. You can use the type sync feature of this app, meaning if you type on the Smart Connect app, it will automatically sync on the TV. You can even switch between apps easily, like you can switch between Netflix and Amazon Prime and other apps. You can even transfer your files from your smart device to the OnePlus TV. You can even screencast. There is option for screencast. It supports built-in Chromecast, and also you can screenshot. You can you can take a screenshot of the TV and save it on your smartphone. Let's talk about the remote. Now remote, on the top you can see there is OnePlus play button and one there is a mute button. If you press and hold for the OnePlus play button, it will give you three options: sleep, power off and restart. And if you just click on the OnePlus play button app, it will turn on the OnePlus play. Now there is navigations. Navigations are pretty snappy and the TV works fine. There is no lag or such things. Now if you come down, there is back button, there is the menu button, there is the go back to the home button, there is up down menu button, and especially you get a dedicated OTT buttons like Netflix and Amazon Prime. Even there is a Google Assistant button. If you click on it, your Google Assistant you can speak to the Google Assistant through your remote. Let's talk about the OS on this OnePlus U series TV. This comes out of the box with Android 10 support, which is pretty good, and also you will receive time to time updates in this OnePlus U series TVs. You also get to play Google Play Store, meaning you can install any apps, you can install games. This also comes with built-in support for Google Chromecast. This also has support for Google Assistant, meaning that you can use a Google Assistant to turn off the TV, turn up your volume up and down. You can tell her to play something on the OTT apps like Netflix and Amazon Prime. Tell about your routine and all this thing. This also comes with OnePlus Play. Now, if you talk about OnePlus Play, if you will get aggregated content from all the OTT platforms, other channels also. Like you will get in all the combination of all the content from other OTT apps. Like there is a dedicated section for sports. If you watch lot of Amazon Prime content, there is also a dedicated content for that also. Now this comes with a gaming mode. What does the gaming mode do? That gaming mode will reduce the latency between the HDMI output, meaning that you can connect your gaming console to this TV and you can get a pretty good picture quality. The lag will be less. You can use it as your monitor, and gaming on this TV is pretty much awesome. You can even connect your PC to this. Due to best picture quality and color gamut, you can edit your professional videos on this TV and use it as a monitor. You can connect your PC, edit your Adobe Premiere Pro footages and all that thing. This TV comes with a data saver mode. If you turn on the data saver, you can turn on the data saver on this OnePlus TV, where it will limit your data usage and also tell you how much data has been used. Let's talk about the specifications on this OnePlus TV. You get 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. Let's talk about the audio output on this OnePlus U series TV. You get two bottom firing 30-watt stereo speakers which comes with Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos will help you give you the perfect pitch. This is also co-tuned with Dyna Audio, which will give you a complete cinematic experience, higher sound quality. Overall, my impression of the audio is pretty much my review on this audio quality is pretty much average. There are better or audio output TVs in this price segment, but the audio output is average. Let's talk about the video settings and features that you get with this TV. You get MEMC support that will make anything that is in 60 FPS it will convert it to 60 FPS. It will make it look smoother. It also comes with noise reduction, different color profiles like HDR10 plus cinematic mode, and different things that you can play around with. This also comes with Gamma engine, which will give you a premium color quality. The video quality on this TV is is awesome. I would like to say it is clear, colors are punchier, audio quality is average. I would like to say to the point, and gaming is also good on this TV. If you like this video, if you have watched this video till end, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video till end, and I'll meet you in the next video.